Hi, this is Mamta Agreement. Today, my topic of the book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. In this book, he explains how we can change that old habit into new habit. It is depend on four stages, that is cue, carving, routine, and reward. This is how we process the habit. Cue. It's we want to do something, and we want to feel bored. So what we do, we want to get entertained, that is carving. And what we'll do, we will response, we will go and see the mobile, and we watch the social media and reward, we wasted our time in social media. This is how we create our own habit by cue, carving, response, and reward. You have the cue of eat eating junk, then you will take that response of to open the fridge and eat the junk. So, and its reward of being unhealthy. So this is how the process of habit is formed, how we can change this whole habit into new habit. Make it obvious, make your cue obvious. Make it a cue as your obvious. If you want to go for a gym every day, make it cue that uh, whenever you return from your office or something, tell from your office, make it sure that you tell yourself that you're going to show up on the gym every day. So you start wearing your clothes and start moving to the gym. Next is make the carving attractive. So if you want to make it, if you want to go for a gym every day, make it as your that you're enjoying there. And prepare a day before your shoes, your clothes, your water bottle, your iPod, everything for ready for the gym. So that will give that craving that I have to go and for the gym and have to work up. Either anything you want to do, have that plan a day before and start doing it. Next is make the response easy. So it will help you when you start doing it by keeping your shoes, by keeping everything in a time. It will help you to make your response easy, and you can do it and show up every self today to gym. So next, make the reward satisfying. So and after finishing and showing up each and every day, reward with your small wins. So so this is the four things we have to do. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it reward. So find these four things and develop that new habit. Have that habit stacking. When you are doing that whole habit, aware yourself that you are going to do instead of this, and you are going to prepare work towards this. instead of uh, instead of instead of keeping the junk food in the fridge, you can keep that the things of healthy food of salad. So whenever you open the fridge, you will see of eating that salad. So this is how we formed cue. When you make the cue, like when you make your cue as your obvious, first what we have told, make it obvious. When you make as a cue as your obvious, that if you want to go for exercise, if you want to work yourself, just you put a reminder on your phone or on your calendar. It will help you to give that cue in your mind, that awareness in your mind, so that you can work towards it. Next, have an accountability partner. Tell them that you are going to work towards this, and be an accountable to them each and every day. And tell your people that you are going to now we are planned to start dieting. So we told every people in the house that we have dieting. So we are creating the new habit in ourselves by controlling our food. So this is how we can work towards it. So have an accountability partner. Tell the surroundings, make yourself that you're going to show up each and every day. Have that habit loop. At the end of the, put your marks when you did that work, and reward yourself when you finished it. Have the habit tracker, work on your habit tracker, and see how much you have finished. When you missed it twice a day, it will not, you're not at consistency, but you can continue it, but start working towards each and every day to cultivate. When you practice each and every day, it will become perfect, and you will get that routine as your habit. When you repeat several times, it become as a habit. So see your habit pattern and watch your old pattern of habits, break that old habits and create that new ones. But old work on yourself with a new set of pillars, with a new set of actions, so that you can create that new habit within yourself. It will generate by within yourself. So start having that awareness of what whole habits you are doing with yourself. Whether you see you are not planning your day before, start planning your each day before, so you can able to do the today easier. So start working towards what habit you want to create. Either you want to do the planning a day before, start creating each and every day has a consistency to go towards it. So start so the four things we have learned is: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it rewardable. When we follow these four things, we can able to develop that new habit and break the pattern of the whole habit, and we can do it each and every day. So start working uh, towards your cultivation of new habit by using the habit trackers, and mark yourself at the end of the day that you have finished that habit. And reward yourself when you complete it at the end of the week or the end of the month. But reward yourself and celebrate that small wins that push you to develop that good habit in your day. Thank you. Bye.